Daddy's trying to load the dishwasher. He's got a little helper.
Not so much. What are you doing? It goes in.
Tyler, we already took the clean ones out.
No.
Apparently he thinks that one's clean.
It goes in.
That got to some distance. Oh, different bottle. Is that one clean? I think maybe we should just load the dishwashers and pick up the bottles when we're done. Or you're gonna spend the whole night putting the same bottles in.
I don't understand. Loading the dishes usually goes quicker than this for me.
You got your little helper, it should go extremely fast. Oh, now we got our pre-rinse here. She didn't like the bottle hidden in her head. Is Daddy done loading the dishwasher?
No, not anymore.
Does he need Mama's help?
You think I can fit Tyler on the top rack, or will I have to put him on the bottom rack?
Might have to be half and half.
I gotcha.